Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. On this channel, I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds on keto and how you can get started on your own keto weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you on your ketogenic journey. Welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm going to show you everything I ate in the last 7 days to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I will preface this by letting you guys know that I went on a binge bender at the end of this week. I did not film everything that I ate. I only filmed my meals while we were on our Washington trip. So a lot of the stuff in here may or may not actually help you with maintenance, but I am just being upfront and honest that this is what I ate this week. I don't know if it's going to be of any benefit to you or not, but I hope at least that you enjoy it and it has some entertainment value if it isn't giving you any educational value whatsoever. So with that being said, let's get to the food.
Alrighty everyone, it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday and I am breaking my fast with my first meal of the day. Don't judge me on my chaffle problem. I actually made a double batch so that Dave could have a whole bunch and he didn't eat them and I just cannot stand to let them go to waste and I'm just going to eat them all. So I tracked them all and they're all going to fit in my macros for the day, so whatever. I have about 3 eggs worth and 160 grams of mozzarella cheese, ounce and 1.6 ounces of cream cheese, some lemonade Mio, erythritol, blueberries. I think the blueberry total ended up being about 70 grams of blueberries, so that's the highest thing that I've got for the carbs there, and then 4 Falls brand sausages, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Sunday night and it has been quite the effort to try and track these little muffins that Dave made, but this is a meatloaf muffin that Dave made and I don't even know what's in it, so don't ask. Not going there. And some cauliflower mac and cheese. I think he got the recipe online and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty guys, today I am having homemade sausage gravy over chaffle biscuits. I did make a recipe video, so if I've already put it on my channel, it'll be linked here, and if not, then you'll have to find it in my recipes playlist later. And then I am having a ketochaos.com peanut butter cookie alongside, and that is going to be my first meal of the day, and it is Monday, and it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Alrighty everyone, it's Monday afternoon. It is almost, well actually it's evening. It's almost 5 o'clock in the evening. I'm sitting here for another 3 more hours at the dance studio, so I am going to have a second meal. I have chosen to have a gas station meal today because gas station meals are some of my favorite things. And it's one of the best parts of being in maintenance phase for me. So I'm going to have a Quest cookie, a Colby Jack cheese snack, and some peanuts. Peanuts do make me retain water, so I may regret this tomorrow, but I haven't had any in so long, and I'm really craving them today, so I am going to choose to have them. And that is going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Monday night. Those peanuts just about killed my macros, and so I really don't have much left. I'm going to have this small meal of Quest chip nachos and 2 ounces of white cheddar cheese and 2 tablespoons of sour cream with a couple of slices of pickle. That is putting me clear up to 2,700 calories for the day, so I'm taking a break after this. Don't know what I'm going to eat tomorrow. We'll see. This might be a really crazy week, but that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Tuesday afternoon, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm breaking my fast with my first meal of the day. Today I am having bacon again. Haven't had it in a while. 55 grams of center cut bacon, 150 grams of 5% Fage Greek yogurt, and 4 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream mixed with lemonade Mio water enhancer. Then a coconut cream pie keto cake from Keeping It Keto Cakes. .com, I think, is the address for that one. These ones don't ship, so I can't help you on there anyway. And a couple of Coke Zeros. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty guys, it is Tuesday afternoon at the dance studio, and I am about to eat my second meal of the day, and I'm going to show you what I brought. I have some Quest chip protein chips, a peanut butter cookie from ketochaosutah.com, some pickle slices, Oh, that's for the kids, not for me. Where's mine? Ah, there it is. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, Primal Thin Protein Bar. It's my last one. I miss you. Too much protein, not enough fat. And my fats. To do my other fats besides the keto cake thing. It is 3 ounces of white cheddar, Tillamook white cheddar. Yummy. And that is going to be my second meal of the day.
Alrighty, everyone. It is Tuesday night. It is 10:30 at night. Yes, it is. And I'm about to have my last meal of the day. So I'm having 130 grams of spaghetti squash with 4 ounces of 80/20 pork sausage and a half a cup of Rayo's arrabbiata marinara and 2 ounces of Tillamook white cheddar cheese. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone. I'm on a road trip with my boys. There you go. And I am having my first meal of the day. It is noon. I'm having blueberry cream cheese chaffles and Falls brand sausages. I think there's 5 of them. And a cup of 5% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer with 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And that's gonna be my first meal of the day.
It's snack time. Second meal of the day. Gonna eat a little bit of each thing. Alrighty, everyone, here I am at Wingstop, and I am going to have 6 Louisiana rub wings for my last meal of the day. And we are still 3 hours away from Washington. Well, we're in Washington, but 3 hours away from our destination. Alrighty, everyone, I am having a bunch of, what are these? Chaffles. These are just the regular French toast chaffles with mozzarella cheese and egg. And then I'm going to have a keto cake. This is a red velvet chocolate chip, I think. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. New one, peppermint bark Quest bar. Alrighty, everyone, it is Friday and it's about 11 o'clock in the morning, and I am having truffles made from 3 eggs, 3 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and some butter and sugar-free syrup. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Hey everyone, I'm here with my kids. And I am having T-bone steak and eggs with a side of avocado, and I already ate half my salad with ranch. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, guys. Show you inside here. That is amazing.
Now, does anybody need hot sauce?
On to I-84 East.
Forgot it's going to talk to me while I'm trying to videotape it. All right, everyone, here I am in the car. We are still traveling home from Washington, and I'm stopping for my second meal of the day. I saw these at the gas station. These are so cool, right? Pretty peas. And there's 1 fiber and 4 carbs, so 3 carbs per pack. Not bad. And they're pickled. And then I'm going to have a couple of, I think these are just Bahama Mamas, but they might be cheddar bursts. I actually do not know. And some Tillamook white cheddar, and I don't know how much. That's how we do on the road. So that's going to be my second meal of the day.
Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I did not maintain my weight after the binge bender. I was up 11 pounds. So for next week, I'm actually going back to fat loss macros to try and get myself back on track to where I was. So, you know, that's just how it is. Sometimes we kind of deal with life in different ways, and sometimes we have to rein ourselves back in. So next week, I'm going to be doing another fat loss macros video for you guys, but I hope you enjoyed this anyway and saw the crazy that went on. Like I said, I didn't film everything I ate on that trip. You can add Quest bars and Quest cookies and heavy cream and pork rinds and Smart Sweet gummy bears and keto cakes. I ate like 4 keto cakes in one day. All of this craziness to those last couple of days on my trip to Washington. But whatever, it is what it is. Picking up and moving on. If you saw my weigh-in video, you saw that I already talked about that. And if you didn't, I'll link it for you right there. And you guys can go check it out. All right. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.